How many of you guys are familiar with Steph Curry? Maybe you're a fan of his, maybe someone in your family watches his games. Steph Curry is one of the best basketball players in the NBA. Walking in his father's footsteps, Steph joined the NBA right out of college. Steph has added much talent and skills to the Golden State Warriors basketball team. Think and talk. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer the following question. What kind of hard work do you think goes into being a professional athlete? Go. All right, let's wrap it up in 3, 2, 1. All right, moving on. Going to set a purpose. The Golden State Warriors have shown much growth since drafting Curry. Listen to find out what Steph has brought to the team. So on this next slide, you are going to click play to listen to this text, this biography.